What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be sandblasting this drill stem pipe. The customer is repurposing this to use to build a corral on their property. They're going to be using this as fencing material. So this stuff was really rusty, but I got it all blasted, flipped it over, did the other side as well. Then of course they'll prime this and paint it before they put it into use.